If you've been looking for a more efficient way to keep your home clean without having to lift a finger, this list has you covered. Today we're looking at the finest robot vacuums under $300 for Prime Day, and trust me, these little machines are truly outstanding. From powerful suction that attracts hidden dust to sophisticated mopping systems that remove persistent stains, these robots are designed to do the dirty job for you. Some even map your house, avoid hazards, and clean every corner like a pro. Let's start the countdown to see which one sticks out this year. Number 5. Dream L10s. The Dream L10's Ultra Gen 2 robot vacuum and mop resembles a fully automated cleaning assistant designed for modern houses. It provides strong 10,000 PA suction that easily removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair from floors and carpets. Its clever navigation technology maps your home in 3D, allowing it to maneuver seamlessly around furniture and tight corners. The mop extension reaches borders and low spaces, and dual spinning mop pads remove tenacious spots. It can even identify carpets and change cleaning modes automatically. Elevating the mop or increasing suction is needed. The all-in-one base station handles the majority of maintenance activities, such as auto-emptying dust, washing, drying, and refilling water and cleaning solution. One of the most significant benefits is that it is hands-free, allowing it to vacuum, mop, and do self-maintenance with no effort from you. The sophisticated obstacle avoidance prevents it from colliding with furniture, and pet-friendly settings allow it to clean high-traffic areas twice when necessary. On the negative, it can be difficult to set up at first, and it functions best when the home layout is well mapped for efficiency. Number 4. Eufy Robot Vacuum. The Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro seems like a fully automated cleaning solution designed for busy households. It combines high suction with an innovative hydrojet roller mop that self-refreshes while cleaning. With suction power of up to 8,000 PA, it easily pulls dust, hair, and debris from both hard surfaces and carpets. The dual water system scrubs stains with ozonated water and high-speed mop rotation, while downward pressure simulates hand scrubbing for more thorough cleaning. Its square form and 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance allow it to navigate corners and avoid objects with ease. The all-in-one station handles self-emptying, drying, refilling, and detergent pouring, making everyday maintenance virtually straightforward. On the bright side, it provides a hands-free experience because the base station handles most maintenance tasks, such as dusting, cleaning, and drying the mop. The sophisticated obstacle avoidance and corner-focused design improve daily cleaning efficiency. However, it can be difficult to set up at first, particularly with app mapping and settings. It also works best when the floors are somewhat clear for easy maneuvering. Number 3. Dream X40. The Dream X40 Ultra appears to be a highly advanced cleaning robot capable of handling practically any task on its own. It produces a powerful 12,000 PA suction, which is sufficient to extract dust, hair, and debris from hard floors and carpets without difficulty. Its innovative design includes a liftable and removable mop mechanism that allows it to transition between vacuuming and mopping without wetting the carpets. The side brush reaches into nooks and tight edges, ensuring that dirt is not left behind in difficult locations. It also employs sophisticated dirt detection, so when it detects more difficult problems, it boosts cleaning effort automatically. The built-in mapping system enables it to navigate your home with accuracy, avoiding obstructions and altering routes for different rooms. On the plus side, the all-in-one maintenance system is a huge advantage because it handles auto-emptying, mop washing with hot water, drying, and refilling, so you don't have to do anything. The battery life is long, and it can continue cleaning after recharging, which is ideal for larger households. On the negative, it is primarily reliant on app setup and a stable Wi-Fi connection, which can appear complex at first. Number 2. Roborock Crevo. The Roborock Crevo Curve seems like a high-end, completely automated cleaning device that can handle both vacuuming and mopping with no effort on your part. It has an amazing suction capacity of 18,500 PA, making it easy to remove small dust, pet hair, and debris from deep carpet fibers. Its zero-tangling brush method is especially beneficial for households with long hair or dogs, since it keeps hair from wrapping around the rollers. The Flexi-Arm technology allows the side brush and mop to reach into corners and along edges, ensuring that debris is not left behind in difficult-to-clean places. It also incorporates an Adaptalift chassis, which allows it to move seamlessly across different floor types and even surmount narrow thresholds. Advanced AI obstacle identification and LiDAR mapping enable it to navigate around furniture and design effective cleaning routes. One of the most significant advantages is the all-in-one dock, which automatically washes, dries, refills water, and empties dust from the mop, making maintenance virtually effortless. The robust navigation system and edge cleaning design make it extremely thorough in everyday use. On the negative, it might be difficult to set up at first due to its numerous smart features, and it functions best when the app settings are appropriately tailored. Number 1. Mova V50. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete appears to be a high-end cleaning robot designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping with minimal user interaction. It has an extraordinarily powerful 24,000 PA suction, making it very successful at removing dust, debris, and even deeply embedded pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its triple anti-tangle technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, requiring minimal maintenance. The FlexiRise navigation system is intelligent enough to modify its height on the go, dropping to glide under furniture and extending in wide spaces for better scanning and cleaner mobility. It mops with warm water and a dual solution system, allowing it to switch between general cleaning fluid and pet odor treatment based on your needs. One of its most notable features is its hand-free operation, which includes hot water mop washing, quick drying, and a self-cleaning dock that keeps everything fresh and ready. It also handles obstacles well, including raising itself over thresholds and uneven terrain. On the flip side, all of these smart systems can be difficult to set up at first, and they work best when the app settings are precisely tailored to your house layout. And that concludes our list of the top robot vacuums under $300 on Prime Day. From sophisticated navigation to powerful suction and hands-free cleaning stations, each of these models adds something unique to the table. Whether you prefer deep carpet cleaning or hassle-free mopping, there is a solution for you. The technology is improving, making home cleaning easier than ever. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more smart buying tips like this one, be sure to subscribe to the LegitPick channel so you never miss out on the best discounts and top selections. See you in the next one.